limitations of classical mechanics. Here, the classical mechanics, which is describing the motion of macroscopic objects. The classical mechanics which is studied the motion of the macroscopic objects like machines and astronomical objects such as stars, spacecrafts, galaxy, planets, etc. The classical mechanics which is applicable only to the macroscopic objects. This classical mechanics describing the motion of the object with the help of Newtonian laws. That's why classical mechanics also called as a Newtonian mechanics. Apart from this, Sir Isaac Newton called as a father of classical mechanics. Sir Isaac Newton called as father of classical mechanics. This classical mechanics also have some certain limitations compared to the relativistic mechanics. Let me know what are the limitations of classical mechanics. The classical mechanics, CM is nothing but a classical mechanics. It can be explained the motion of the object. It can be explained the motion of the object when it moves at lower speed. That means classical mechanics which is applicable to the objects having a lower speed. That is the ratio of V by C, where V is the velocity of the object, the speed of the object is C, speed of light. The ratio of these two very much less than 1. Then only this is classical mechanics is applicable. So here, therefore, the classical mechanics is not applicable to the objects having a speed is higher. That means to the object moves with higher velocity. Therefore, the ratio of here, the V by C tends to 1, it is not applicable. So here V by C very much less than 1, it is applicable. The classical mechanics is applicable only the motion of the macroscopic objects. This is not applicable to the electron, proton, or etc. So like these particles, the motion of these particles, we not use the classical mechanics. Newtonian mechanics fails in certain situations. That is, F is equal to ma. This is the famous equations made by the Sir Isaac Newton. That is, F is equal to ma. The force acting on the particle, which is mass times of acceleration, is valid only when m is constant. If m is not constant, this famous law which is not applicable. So when electron moves with a higher velocity, electron moves with some 10 million or 10 million electron volt, that's electron moves with equal to the 0.9 times of velocity. In that cases, the electron gain the masses. In that cases, this is not applicable. This law is not applicable. According to Newtonian mechanics, here classical mechanics is also called as a Newtonian mechanics. The space, time and mass are the absolute quantities. Absolute quantities is nothing but, so for measure every observer, they have got the same value. Here the shape of the geometrical object is also invariant. Here another limitation is simultaneity is again invariant. These are the important limitations of classical mechanics compared to the relativistic mechanics. Thank you very much.